and her 7 kitty cats, 7 children, 7 kitty cats. Oh, they are big cats, baby cats now. Penny, his name, the mother is Penelope. We call it Penelope, and the children is, we call her, I don't know, in 7. This is 1, this is 7. The Penelope. And she's getting out with the cage. You eat? You like to eat? Penelope? Penelope? You like to eat? Where is your boss? Her boss is Daniela and Marga and Makma. And 7 children. There's no name, but we have to call them what we gonna call them in the cage. I think they are 1 month already. Yeah, you are 1 month already, children cats. It's a baby cats. Then if we get inside, she finished breastfeeding of her baby cats. They are 7, all alive. Hey. Yes, Penelope getting out. Where are you going, Penelope? And that is their cage. Oh my God. They're in the room of Daniela. Penelope. The mother name is Penelope. And we have to find a name for these cats. Hey. Children. They're all alive. They look healthy. Look at them. They have a beautiful color, black and white. They're all black or dark gray. Copycat with the mother Penelope. Look at her, Penelope. The mother Penelope. Hey, Penelope, the mother, and then the children. Oh, yeah, look at this. The same copycat. Trying hard, copycat. Okay. They're walking already. They can walk. They can move. Penelope is resting. And there's baby cage. Okay, thanks for subscribing, guys, my subscribers. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you're watching my videos, please subscribe. And if you're coming back watching my videos, thank you so much, my dear subscribers, friends. Happy New Year and love you all from the baby cats of Penelope. And Penelope, she's resting now. Bye bye, guys. Love you all.